Hello, this is Jeremy from SpraySync, going to show you our new log signatures feature. So I've got the app up here. You can see on the left I've got a few acres since the last log. So I'm going to go ahead and add a log entry by pressing the plus button in the bottom right hand corner and hitting add log. And I'm just going to put in some data just for demonstration purposes here. And I'm going to go ahead and save this and submit. And it'll pop up with a log confirmation signature. So I can go ahead and use my finger here and put in whatever signature I have, whatever I want. Hit submit. And that's gonna save it up and sync it up to the server. I can also click right here on the little log marker and it'll show me what I entered and also the signature right there too. I'm going to flip over here on the screen to the website. And I'm going to give this a quick little filter, a little refresh, so you can see the one I just entered showed up right there. And what I can do is now it'll show up in our Excel file download too. And the important part of having an actual log signature is that trying to replace a lot of these paper-based processes, that's kind of the one piece that's missing. You still need some actual signature to go along with the thing that people are entering in digitally. So we have our two log entries, and we have a confirmation signature column that actually includes an image of that signature. So this is a new feature that we recently rolled out to allow those logs to be accepted by the state, so that they're meeting the same standards as the paper-based forms were.